What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So either I did not press the record button or my camera magically deleted my intro for this video. So I'm coming at you with the post-edit record voiceover for this greatness. So obviously in this video I'm going to be doing a look with the Colourpop Dark Bloom collection. I used Ornate for this eye look specifically, so if you want to see how I created that, then keep on watching. But before we get into anything, you already know what you got to do. Click that subscribe button, hit that bell getting the notifications when I post new videos, and click that like button letting me know you're liking the stuff that I'm putting out. So without wasting any more time, let's get into this video. Alright guys, so I've got the new Colourpop Dark Bloom Palettes. So we've got Grandeur right here, which is what this looks like on the inside. Then you've got Baroque right here, which is what that looks like on the inside. I've used her a couple of times. And then you've got Ornate right here, which is what she looks like on the inside. Woo! So I'm going to use Ornate on my eyes for this look. I'll put these to the side. Alright, so we're gonna start this crease out. I'm going to use the shade, what is this, Rival right here. Yeah, Rival. I'm gonna start my crease out. Okay, so now I'm going to take a fluffy brush. This is my, what's this? This is my Morphe M535. I'm going to go into the shade Charisma right here. You see her right there, and blend this out. Okay, I'm going to take my little smudger brush right here. I'm going to go back into that shade Rival and drag it underneath the bottom of my, on the bottom lash line. Alright, so now I've done all of that. I'm going to, actually, no, I'm going to take a little bit of Dream right here and kind of smudge that on top of the dark on the of that shade Rival that I just did. Just give it like a little more definition. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to go off camera real quick put my sticky primer on my lid. Be right back. Alright, so got my primer on my lids. We about to get into the shimmer shades. So you can see there's 3. So you've got Bohème right here, you've got Fever right here, and then you've got Gilded right up here. So I'm going to use, I'm feeling Bohème right now. So I'm gonna put Bohème all over my lid. So now I'm going to put that up. I'm going to take my trusty Morphe E36 brush. I love using this brush for my inner corner. I'm going to spray her. So just note, this is the color without any wetness. So it lets you know the pow of the shimmer. And Colourpop shimmers have always been like that, so I'm not surprised. So we're going to go on that inner, I'm going to take Bohème and just go in. Okay, so now I'm going to go into Gilded right here and just kind of pop that right in that inner corner. Okay, so let me go off camera, finish up with liner and mascara, and finish the rest of my face. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the final look using the Dark Bloom palettes from Colourpop. I used Ornate on my eyes for this look. So I've yet to use Grandeur, but I mean, this is just like a, if you're looking for like a neutral smoky, that's what Grandeur is. If you're looking for like a cool tone smoky, that's what Baroque is. And then if you're looking for like a red smoky, which is what I went for, Ornate is going to be your gal. Honestly, the quality is pretty consistent with all Colourpop palettes. I generally know what I'm going to get every time I purchase a Colourpop palette. So these are really, really nice. I want to say these are $14 a piece, but I bought all 3 for, I believe, $42. So if you're looking for just some really nice smoky palettes, these bad boys are going to be your jam. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you like this look, please comment down below. If you were wondering about these palettes, you can comment down below as well. But obviously, before you head out, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button as well, letting me know you're liking the stuff that I'm putting out. And hopefully I will see you again in the next video. Deuces.